Stand by now for dispatch. Gates open. Then up and racing Sky Serpent. Betchot moving up at the center. Then running by the rail. Yes, I'm the one. Down on the inside is Golden Empire. And comes Petronas as they race towards the last 900. Now we have Golden Empire takes command. Betchot is on the outside. Yes, I'm the one in between runners. Petronas is Sky Serpent is stolen time, and training the group is on attack. Rounding at the last 600. 3 runners are fighting it out for the lead. Betchot takes the lead from the outside. Golden Empire by the rail. Yes, I'm the one. Is Sky Serpent arriving at the race. To then comes Petronas by the rail as the action turns for home. Betchot running at the center. Golden Empire is Sky Serpent is on the outside. And down the stretch they come. We have entry number 6. Betchot is Sky Serpent is on the outside. Moves up to grab the lead. Is Sky Serpent. Betchot drops back in second. Is stolen time. And leading the finish line. The third leg belongs to Sky Serpent. Is stolen time. Petronas. Betchot. Yes, I'm the one. Then comes number 3 Golden Empire and on attack.